Looking for the best hitch bike rack that won't break your bike or your back? We tested and ranked 5 popular options, kind from budget buys to e-bike beasts, and the results might surprise you. Starting off at the bottom of our list is the MaxxHaul 50027. This platform-style rack might look solid at first glance, but it's the least capable of the bunch, especially when it comes to carrying heavier bikes. It's meant for 2 bikes, but keep in mind, the weight limit caps out at just 75 pounds in total. To be fair, there are some nice features here. It's got adjustable hooks to fit different bike sizes, and a hitch tightener to reduce that annoying wobble during drives. Plus, the platform design gives better stability than your typical hanging rack. If you've got a couple of lightweight bikes and a tight budget, this rack will definitely get the job done. But once you start comparing it with others in this lineup, the limitations become obvious. No tilt function means you'll need to unload the bikes just to open your trunk. And with no ramp and no fat tire support, it's definitely not a great match for e-bikes or bulkier builds. So while it's an okay entry-level pick, it's not for riders with heavier gear. If you're just getting started or ride casually on weekends, this could be a wallet-friendly first rack. But hang tight, we've got far better options coming up. And by the way, we've linked every product from this review at the best available prices down below in the description, so check that out. Next up is the Allen Sports Rack, a surprisingly capable 4-bike hanging rack with a solid reputation for its price. It jumps ahead of the MaxxHaul thanks to its higher capacity and user-friendly features like tilting and folding arms. If you're hauling bikes for the whole family, it's worth a look. This rack carries up to 4 bikes and includes tie-down cradles to keep them snug while you're driving. The tilt-back function is a nice bonus that makes accessing your trunk much less of a hassle. And when you're done, the arms fold down to save space. Perfect for small garages or tight storage spots. Still, it shares a few downsides with other hanging racks. It's not great for e-bikes, and each bike can only weigh up to 35 pounds. That's not much if you've got a beefy frame or a battery attached. It also doesn't have trays, so bikes hang by their frame, which can scratch things up if you're not careful. If you ride with friends or family and have standard bikes, this rack is a budget-friendly workhorse. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. And if you're finding this helpful so far, be sure to like the video and subscribe. We've got more honest gear breakdowns coming your way. In the middle of the pack, we've got the Yakima Double Down, another hanging style rack, but this one comes from a trusted name in the bike world. With space for 4 bikes and compatibility with both 1.25 inches and 2-inch hitches, it's a versatile option for folks with multiple vehicles. Yakima adds nice details here, not a splutty, like the Switchblade anti-sway cradles that reduce bike-to-bike contact. It also tilts back so you can reach the trunk without removing all your bikes, and the arms fold down when you're not using it. Everything about it feels well built and thoughtfully designed, but again, the hanging style does limit you a bit. Each bike can't weigh more than 30 pounds, and you'll likely need extra adapters for oddly shaped frames. E-bikes or full-suspension mountain bikes won't sit comfortably without some fiddling. This one's great for regular riders with traditional bikes, especially if you need room for 3 or 4. It's dependable but not groundbreaking, and there's still better ahead. In second place, we've got a bit of a dark horse, the PacificCrest rack. You might not recognize the name, but don't let that fool you. This 2-bike rack offers a serious upgrade in weight capacity, holding up to 80 pounds per bike. That makes it one of the few hanging style racks that can actually handle e-bikes. Its standout feature is how it balances heavy-duty support with foldability and anti-sway cradles. Unlike other hanging racks that wobble and knock bikes together, this one keeps them stable. It also accommodates fat tires, so if your bike is a little beefier, you won't have to worry. The downside? It's still a hanging rack, which means you're not getting the best fit for every frame. And there's less online info about things like tilt function or exact dimensions, which makes it a bit of a gamble if you're particular about fit. This rack is ideal for riders who want high capacity without going full platform. It's strong, simple, and built for heavier rides. And now it's time to meet the best of the bunch. Taking the top spot, and by a mile today, is the Young Electric Easy Fold Rack. This thing is a beast. It's built for 2 bikes, but each one can weigh up to 100 pounds, which makes it perfect for heavy e-bikes, fat tire cruisers, or really anything you want to haul. Right out of the gate, it stands out with its integrated loading ramp. You don't need to lift anything, just roll your bike right on. The platform design means you're getting the most stable ride possible, and it tilts and folds like a pro for easy access and storage. Whether you drive a car, truck, or RV, it fits any 2-inch hitch and handles it all with confidence. And honestly, there's not much to complain about here. Sure, it's a little heavier than most, around 50 pounds, but that's the trade-off for all that strength and stability. It doesn't come cheap, but it's worth every dollar if you want the best all-around performance. If you're serious about biking, especially with an e-bike or fat tire build, this is the one to get. It's strong, smart, and totally future-proof. If you want to grab one of the top racks from this review, check out the links in the description for the best prices. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It helps us bring you even more honest gear reviews without the fluff.